Our church bells have not been working for a number of months now. We found out that the computer that controls them wasn't working properly. And anyway, it took quite a while, but we took them in and they finally have returned the computer unit to us. And if it's working properly, we should hear the Westminster chimes, and then we should hear it toll 6 times, and then it will play some hymns. But anyway, we'll see if it's working. It's cold out here. Jennifer's with me. Hey, Jenny.
Hey.
I can't see you. It's dark. Anyway, we'll see. Come on. You can do it. Let's hear it for the bells.
Yay.
Come on, bells. Come on. Come on.